CVS stands for Center for VLSI and Embedded Systems Technologies. The center has started back in 2002 with an aim to conduct research in the broad area of VLSI and embedded systems so that we come up with low-cost, indigenous VLSI technologies. Thereafter, in the past 18 years, the center has evolved itself with various research areas such as flexible electronics, photonics, radio frequency integrated circuits, and sensors. So we have recently are venturing into various other areas such as hardware software co-design, and how do we come up with lightweight systems so that we can cater to the needs of various AI and ML algorithms. The center has approximately 70 research students who are doing their research towards their degrees of MS by research and PhD. Center has been collaborating with many universities both in India and abroad, and we jointly work with the professors over there.
My primary area of research is RF and analog integrated circuits and systems. At CWEST, my research group is working on some of the very interesting problems such as low power RF transceivers for energy harvested wireless sensor nodes, frequency synthesizers for quantum sensing applications, portable detectors for respiratory diseases, and fully monolithic millimeter wave oscillators with extremely low phase noise performances. In one of our recent research works, we have presented a fully monolithic novel millimeter wave oscillator with reduced bill of materials for high data rate 5G communication applications.
My research work is designing of optoelectronic sensor for pressure monitoring. I develop a low-cost gate analysis matrix using the plastic optic fiber plus with its compatible LEDs, photodiode, and hold the controlling unit. So the pressure image is reconstructed in such a way that the light will be passed from the LEDs and it will be received at the photodiode, and the medium through light which will be passed is a POF cable. Complete analysis is done using the image reconstruction and the image reconstruction algorithm, and the image reconstruction algorithm is developed using the MATLAB. So nowadays the POF sensing is attracting a significant amount of focus in industries and any biomedical field. So this is the one of the good application of in a gate analysis format.
So radio frequency based sensing, as compared to its traditional counterparts, has several advantages associated with it. The method is fast, facile, efficient, and it involves highly simplified methods for both sample preparation as well as testing. Our setup is also portable and reusable, which makes it an excellent alternative for performing biomolecule detection outside of sophisticated laboratories. So what we have in here is a typical setup for radio frequency based sensing. We have a vector network analyzer, a VNA, connected to an IDC using these SMA connectors. So the sensor that we have in place is an interdigitated capacitor. There are several other kinds of sensors also available. So what is basically happening in here is that when we introduce different samples onto the capacitive region of our sensor, the frequency response of the sensor changes.
I am working on a flexible pressure sensor which we made using paper as a structural material. It is a 4x4 pressure sensor matrix in which we have used a piezoresistive material named Velostat that is sandwiched between two papers on which we have attached copper tapes. These copper electrodes form a crossbar architecture such that the crossover points represent an individual sensor pixel. The working principle is based on the piezoresistive property of the Velostat. As we can see here, when we apply pressure on the sensor mat, the corresponding pixel on which the pressure is applied can be seen on the heat map. It can be used in applications such as for posture recognition in smart chairs and various other biomedical applications.
I am working on development of artificial intelligence and machine learning reliable models for estimation of performance figures such as static and dynamic power and propagation delays in nanoscale CMOS and FinFET integrated circuits. Our research group is also focused on developing low power analog integrated circuits for IoT applications. Specifically, we design voltage references, current references, temperature sensors and oscillators for IoT and biomedical applications which are run by energy harvesters and miniature batteries. We are adding another dimension to the chip design flow from RTL to standard design, where variable accuracy constraints are met through approximate computing and architecture.